What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing of the Robinhood Cash Management Card. So I've actually been on the waitlist for this card for months, really since it came out in October. So I just got this card in the mail. You can see right here I have my black envelope. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're actually just gonna go over the Robinhood Cash Management System very quickly and then we'll get into the unboxing. Now, if by the end of this you want a more detailed video on the Robinhood Cash Management System, let me know and I'm happy to make a video about it. Okay, so the Robinhood Cash Management account is actually kind of a mix between a debit account and a high yield savings account. Now, when I first signed up for this card, I thought it was gonna be a game changer, and I'll tell you why. So as most of you watching probably know, Robinhood is a brokerage account where you can buy and sell stocks on the stock market. What Robinhood was pitching for this cash management account was basically any cash that you had uninvested but in your Robinhood account, they would put into this cash management account. And this cash management account would actually get you around 2% APY. That's basically on par with any high yield savings account out there. And another feature that they threw in was basically a debit card or debit account. So you could use this extra uninvested cash basically as a debit account. You could go to ATMs, take out the money from the account, put money in, everything like that. So this would effectively make Robinhood a 3-in-1 banking account: investment, high yield savings, and a checking account. And not to mention, their interface is very easy to use, very user friendly, so it's great for beginners. So that was great. They were advertising a 2.05 APY for their interest rate, and then the illness happened. Now, we can't go into details because YouTube does not like mentioning what's happening in the world right now. But basically, because of this illness, I'm sure a lot of you know this, the Fed dropped their interest rates almost to zero, which really affected this account. So this account's APY is variable. So they were first advertising a 2.05 interest rate, but now they're all the way down to 0.3. Now, this is a direct effect of this federal interest rate cutting. And I do expect it to go up in the future, but for the short term, the percentage isn't very good, and I'm sure you'll see your percentages in other savings accounts go down as well. So in an ideal situation where the interest rates for Robinhood's cash management account actually go back up to around 2%, 1.5%, something like that, that would be a great place just to have a bunch of your money. There would really be no need for a separate high yield savings account because it's already built into Robinhood. So when the interest rates for Robinhood's cash management account do go back up, I'm gonna move a bunch of money from my Discover high yield savings account over to Robinhood just because I'll be getting around the same interest rate. Anyway, that's the basics of the Robinhood cash management account. Let's get to unboxing. Before we go into the unboxing, I'd like for you guys to go down there, hit the like button. It really helps my channel and this video out. And I'd like you guys to go comment down below. Let me know if you have a Robinhood account and let me know if you want to get the cash management account and where you are on the wait list. I know I was hundreds of thousands of people up on the wait list, and it seemed like in a matter of a few weeks, I got off the wait list and got offered the card. All right, so this is the envelope that I believe the Robinhood Cash Management debit card is in. Let's go open it. All right, we have this nice green pamphlet, Robinhood, their logo right there. Nothing else in the envelope, just this pamphlet. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, cool. So we see it's time to do more with your money. And then we have the card over here on the left. Number 1, activate your card in the app, spend, withdraw, and invest, and earn interest on the rest. Okay, so let's close up see this card real quick. It's a very nice card. Their nice color scheme they have going on. Let's pull it off. All right, you can see the card right here. It's a very cool looking card. It's plastic, half kind of see-through, transparent. All right, you guys have just seen the unboxing, and here's some of my thoughts. Robinhood has great marketing. I mean, look at this. It's super simple, just has their logo, and it's bright and pops out. And when you actually open the material, they have it super simple. It's time to do more with your money. They just want the user to feel as if everything is very simple and they don't need to think about much, which is pretty true with Robinhood. And let's just talk about this card. This card looks very good. I like that it's see-through. Half of it is see-through. I don't think I've ever seen that on any other card. Now this card does come in different colors. I think there's this green kind of on brand with their app. There's blue, a reddish pink, and then an American flag logo. And something I forgot to mention, it is a MasterCard, so it is accepted at most places, at least in the United States. So I'm actually not going to be using this debit card. I'm not using Robinhood as a debit account. I'm going to keep my debit account with my normal bank, but I am going to use this for the cash management, especially when they bump up those interest rates. Alright, if you like this video, go down there, hit the like button, and hit subscribe along with the alert bell to get all the notifications of when I'm going to post. Alright, be sure to go watch some of my other videos for more content, and I'll be pushing out a bunch of content in the coming weeks. Thanks and have a good one.